Dear class of 1995, greetings from your alma mater. We hope that all of you are doing well. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to the Silver Jubilee reunion of your batch. Reunions are always nostalgic, and the Silver Jubilee reunion is definitely one of the most nostalgic events of the Institute. I am proud to say that IIT Bombay has remained the topmost choice for students. Among 23 IITs in the country, 61 out of top 100 JEE 2020 students have joined IIT Bombay. We have also done very well on QS India ranking, securing rank 1 in India. Of course, we still have miles to go. These distinctions are yet another manifestation of the progress being made by the Institute towards global excellence. Among the major developments of the Institute this year, IIT Bombay Incubator, SINE, has been recognized as India's best incubator by Techonovation Awards of IESA, that is India Electronics and Semiconductor Association. This recognition by industry is a validation of the impact of SINE that it has done in the startup scenario over the last 16 years. IIT Bombay continuously strives to introduce new areas in its academic programs and in its all activities, including research, in a bid to generate the kind of intellectual capital that will keep the Institute and the nation up to date. IIT Bombay has made concerted efforts to align its R&D focus with the national goal of achieving technological self-reliance. During the last 10 years, R&D receipts have grown significantly. There were 123 patent applications filed during the last year. Another ongoing initiative is the IIT Bombay Research Park, which has become operational and hosts currently 9 R&D labs from all over the world. The objective of the research park is to enhance the R&D collaboration with industry by staying right in our campus. The Institute has been able to attract outstanding faculty members, not just from India, but from all over the world. IIT Bombay recognizes alumni as vital stakeholders of the Institute, and we are working to strengthen links with all alumni. The contributions of alumni, both financially as well as the time and the volunteering that they do, that help IIT Bombay achieve its excellence as well as to develop expertise, they are numerous and have played a key role in taking our institute forward. On behalf of the institute and on my own personal behalf, I thank each one of your batch members as well as all other IIT alumni for this special help to the institute. We are indeed counting on your help for us to keep our tryst with excellence, the one which was actually set up an agenda item by one of our former directors, Professor S.P. Sukhatme. We should continue striving for that. I look forward to seeing all of you in the campus at possibly the next occasion. We would have loved to have you here in our campus. Unfortunately, the pandemic is still on and not allowing us to meet personally. But be sure, all of you are in our mind, and we do pray that all of you and your family members stay healthy and safe during this pandemic. And of course, you should be in touch with us. So my best wishes to all of you for the coming holiday season and to all your family members. Do visit us whenever the pandemic is over. Thank you very much.